Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to dive into an exciting topic, harnessing AI-driven insights in PowerBI. In this presentation, we'll explore how AI is transforming data analysis, predictive analytics, and business intelligence to help you make smarter decisions. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the key concepts and benefits of integrating AI into your PowerBI workflows. So let's get started. Welcome to our discussion on AI insights with PowerBI. In this slide, I want to highlight how this transformation allows us to act faster and with greater confidence in today's ever-changing markets. When we harness AI-driven insights, we're not just reacting to data, we're anticipating future trends. This foresight helps us adapt more effectively and stay ahead of the competition. Empowering confident actions is at the core of this. By integrating AI into PowerBI, we're revolutionizing the way we analyze data. It's no longer just about looking at past reports. It's about unlocking predictive insights that guide our decisions. This shift enables us to move beyond traditional reporting and truly leverage data as a strategic asset. Overall, this approach transforms how businesses operate, making us more proactive, smarter, and better equipped to handle the complexities of the modern marketplace. Let's delve into the power of AI analytics and how it transforms our approach to business intelligence. AI enables us to develop proactive strategies by providing data-driven foresight. This means we can anticipate market trends and adapt our actions accordingly, helping us stay ahead of the competition. Instead of just looking at what has happened in the past, AI shifts our focus towards predicting future outcomes. This evolution allows us to be more responsive to market changes and, ultimately, enhances customer satisfaction. By harnessing these insights, we're not just reacting to events, we're proactively shaping our future success. Let's talk about the importance of data preparation in harnessing AI-driven insights in PowerBI. Proper data preparation is absolutely vital because it helps us minimize risks and boosts the reliability of our models. When our data is well prepared, we're much more likely to get accurate and meaningful insights from AI. On the other hand, if we skip or rush this step, AI models can produce misleading or incorrect conclusions. That can really undermine our decision-making and potentially lead to negative outcomes for our projects or business. Common challenges we face with data quality include errors, missing values, inconsistent formats, and duplicates. These issues, if not addressed, can seriously compromise the integrity of our dataset. That's why clean, accurate data is the foundation of reliable AI insights. When our data is solid, we can trust the outputs from AI models and make informed, actionable decisions. In the end, good data preparation isn't just a step, it's the cornerstone of successful AI-driven analytics in PowerBI. Let's talk about some essential data cleaning methods for AI. First, removing duplicates and standardizing formats are crucial steps. Think of it as tidying up your data so that everything is consistent and accurate. This helps prevent what we call garbage in, garbage out, meaning if your data is messy, your insights will be too. Clean data leads to better, more reliable results. Now, to make this process more efficient, Power Query automation is a game changer. It allows us to automate repetitive cleaning tasks, saving time and reducing manual effort. This way, we can focus more on analyzing the data rather than cleaning it. Finally, data validation and error checking are vital to ensure accuracy. These techniques help us catch mistakes early on, so our AI insights are trustworthy and solid. When we combine these methods, we set the stage for high-quality, reliable insights that drive smarter decisions. Let's talk about setting up a semantic model in PowerBI. First, we have calculated columns, which are powerful tools for creating new data fields using formulas. These help us enrich our data directly within the model. Next, hierarchies come into play. They allow us to organize data in multiple levels, like year, quarter, and month, making it easier to analyze trends across different time periods. Moving on to measures, these are calculations such as sums and averages that give us valuable insights by summarizing and analyzing our data effectively. They are essential for deriving meaningful information from our datasets. Relationships are the connections between tables within the semantic model. These links enable us to perform integrated data analysis across different datasets, creating a cohesive view of our information. And of course, tables are the structured groups of data that form the foundation of the semantic model. They organize our information in a way that makes analysis straightforward and efficient. Overall, a semantic model in PowerBI organizes data systematically, leveraging these components to enhance our understanding and make AI-driven insights more accessible and actionable. Now, let's talk about the role of the semantic model in AI analytics. The semantic model really enhances the accuracy and efficiency of our PowerBI reports, making sure the insights we generate are reliable and timely. It also plays a vital role in predictive analytics, helping us forecast trends and outcomes more effectively. Essentially, the semantic model acts as a crucial bridge that connects raw data to actionable insights. It enables AI to understand the relationships within our data, which supports automation and smarter decision-making. By doing so, it helps us turn complex data into clear, meaningful insights that drive better business outcomes. Now, let's explore how harnessing AI-driven insights in PowerBI can truly transform business operations. These capabilities enable companies to anticipate trends effectively, allowing for smarter decision-making. By leveraging predictive analytics, organizations can optimize their operations for sustained growth, ensuring they stay ahead of the competition. One remarkable benefit is how predictive analytics can double customer satisfaction during peak periods. By better anticipating customer needs and emerging trends, businesses can tailor their services and products more effectively. This proactive approach leads to happier customers and stronger loyalty. Additionally, PowerBI helps identify slow-moving products, which is crucial for refining product strategies. Targeted promotions can be designed for these items, helping to clear inventory and increase sales. It's all about making smarter, data-driven decisions on what to promote and how to optimize resources. And speaking of efficiency, predictive analytics automates reordering processes, reducing inventory costs significantly, in this case, by 18%. Automating these tasks not only cuts costs, but also supports ongoing growth by ensuring stock levels are maintained without overstocking or stockouts. So, in essence, these AI-driven insights empower businesses to operate smarter, be more responsive, and ultimately drive better results across the board. Now, let's talk about the benefits of AI insights through reporting automation. Case studies show that using AI-powered automation can save teams up to 80% of the time they usually spend on report creation. This is a game changer because it allows us to focus more on strategic decisions and high-value tasks that really drive the business forward. One of the key advantages is targeted report delivery. AI can automatically send reports to the right stakeholders, which boosts efficiency and makes sure the right people get the right information at the right time. This reduces delays and keeps everyone on the same page. Automation also helps minimize errors and speeds up the entire reporting process. By automating routine tasks, we ensure that reports are accurate and delivered promptly. This not only improves reliability, but also frees up valuable time for deeper analysis and strategic thinking. Finally, AI-powered automation in PowerBI simplifies reporting by auto-generating basic reports. This streamlines our processes and allows us to spend more time on insightful analysis, rather than just compiling data. Overall, leveraging AI in reporting helps us work smarter, faster, and more accurately, aligning perfectly with our goal of making smarter data-driven decisions. Let's start by logging into Copilot Studio through the Microsoft Power Platform. It's important to make sure you have the necessary licenses and that your environment is properly set up before diving in. This ensures a smooth experience as you begin harnessing AI-driven insights. Next, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard elements, things like the home page, the bot editor, topics, entities, and variables. Understanding what each of these components does helps you see how they all contribute to generating valuable AI insights. As you prepare your data in PowerBI desktop, focus on structuring and optimizing it for AI analysis. Proper data preparation is key to getting accurate and meaningful insights. Finally, double-check that your environment is correctly configured and that all prerequisites are met. This attention to detail allows you to operate seamlessly and makes the whole process much more efficient. Remember, each step builds towards a more effective use of AI in your PowerBI projects, enhancing your ability to make data-driven decisions. Now, let's take a closer look at Fabric data agents and their role in optimizing PowerBI environments. These agents are truly integral because they help improve how teams work together and make data-driven decisions more efficiently. They facilitate better collaboration by ensuring that everyone is on the same page when it comes to data goals and reasoning. A key component here is the Model Context Protocols, or MCP. Think of MCP as the communication framework that allows Fabric data agents to share goals and insights seamlessly. This protocol helps maintain smooth collaboration and ensures that data handling is both effective and coordinated. By using MCP, Fabric data agents can enhance AI-driven insights. They improve the responses of AI systems and make teamwork within PowerBI more efficient. In essence, they serve as the connective tissue that amplifies the power of AI and teamwork, making our data environments smarter and more aligned with our goals. All of this ties back to our overall theme of leveraging advanced tools and protocols to optimize our data capabilities and drive better decision-making. Now let's look at how data flows through the Fabric layers. As data moves through this layered architecture, each stage plays a crucial role. We start with the Bronze Lakehouse, where raw, unprocessed data is stored. This is essentially our data's original form, coming straight from various sources. Next is the Silver layer, which acts as a cleaned and improved data warehouse. Here, the data is refined and prepared for deeper analysis, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Moving up, we have the Semantic layer, which makes the data optimized specifically for PowerBI reporting. This layer allows us to generate efficient and insightful reports without hassle. And then, we have AI models. These generate predictive analytics using Python notebooks. These insights are fed back through the layers, enriching our data and enabling robust analysis. By harnessing this flow, we ensure that our insights are precise, timely, and actionable, truly leveraging AI-driven insights within PowerBI. This layered approach is what makes our data strategy both scalable and powerful, connecting raw data to meaningful business intelligence seamlessly. Now, let's look at how AI insights can really transform sales and marketing efforts. One key application is in scoring leads to help prioritize sales efforts. Essentially, AI analyzes various data points to identify which leads are most likely to convert, allowing sales teams to focus their time and resources on high-potential opportunities. This targeted approach significantly improves efficiency and increases the chances of closing deals. Another important area is customer segmentation for targeted campaigns. AI helps in dividing your customer base into specific groups based on behavior, preferences, and other characteristics. By doing this, you can craft personalized marketing strategies that truly resonate with each audience segment, making your campaigns more effective and engaging. Finally, AI insights in PowerBI enable sales and marketing teams to track performance across multiple stores or locations. Using natural language processing, you can ask questions in plain language and get instant insights on sales performance. This empowers businesses to monitor operations closely and make data-driven adjustments in real time, ultimately optimizing overall performance. Together, these AI-driven applications help create smarter, more personalized, and more efficient sales and marketing strategies that align with the broader goals of the organization. Let's take a closer look at how AI is transforming our understanding of customer behavior through PowerBI. AI tools enable us to gain deeper insights into what customers really think and feel. This improved understanding helps us craft better strategies and create more personalized, satisfying experiences for our customers. One of the powerful features is the ability to generate visualizations with just a click, revealing data patterns quickly and clearly. These insights allow us to make faster decisions and identify opportunities that might otherwise stay hidden. Additionally, AI helps us predict future trends by applying machine learning. This means we can anticipate customer needs before they even arise, giving us a competitive edge and helping us stay ahead of market changes. Another exciting aspect is sentiment analysis, where we interpret customer emotions from text data, such as reviews or feedback. For example, restaurants can analyze reviews to quickly understand how customers feel about their menu and make improvements that boost satisfaction. Overall, these AI-driven insights are essential for staying responsive and proactive in today's dynamic market environment. They empower us to understand our customers better and serve them more effectively. Getting started with AI features in PowerBI is easier than you might think. No coding skills are required, which means AI is accessible for everyone. This really opens up opportunities for all users to enhance their data analysis with just a few simple steps. When I say no coding required, I mean tools like Microsoft Copilot Studio and Fabric data agents come into play. These tools make integrating AI into your workflows straightforward and user-friendly, so you don't need to be a developer to leverage powerful AI capabilities. Next, you'll want to make sure you have the right licenses and set up your Power Platform environments. This step is crucial because without the proper setup, you won't be able to fully unlock and utilize AI features in PowerBI. It's a bit of an initial investment, but it pays off by enabling richer insights and faster analysis. Finally, preparing your data carefully is essential. Organizing and cleaning your datasets ensures that AI features can work effectively, giving you accurate and meaningful insights. When all these pieces come together, the right tools, the proper setup, and well-prepared data, you're well on your way to harnessing the full power of AI in PowerBI. Let's now talk about security and sharing in PowerBI semantic models. One of the key tools we have is row-level security, or RLS. This allows us to restrict data visibility based on each user's role or permissions. Essentially, it ensures that users only see the data that's relevant to them, which is crucial for maintaining data privacy and relevance. Next, setting sharing permissions is equally important. By carefully controlling who can access the semantic models, we prevent unauthorized users from viewing sensitive information. This step helps us manage access effectively and protect our data assets. We also need to think about network protections, such as private links and tenant access restrictions. These measures act as safeguards against external threats and unauthorized access, adding an extra layer of security to our data environment. By adopting these security measures, implementing RLS, controlling sharing permissions, and enforcing network protections, we can maintain data confidentiality and ensure compliance. At the same time, these practices support effective collaboration, enabling teams to work confidently with trusted data. Overall, integrating these security strategies is vital for balancing accessibility and protection, especially as we leverage AI-driven insights to make smarter, data-informed decisions.